Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, May 23rd, 2001, 8 am. Calm down, plunge into this universe of beauty which is in you. We have spoken about it at length. Let yourself be carried away. Forget the world of men where all is illusory. Do not expect anything of others. Expect all from God. He is your only treasure, your recourse in this world. He alone is reliable, humans are not. 100 times you have noticed it, so turn the page. Let your eyes look towards His light. Let your heart be suffused with His brightness. All is well henceforth. You know the refuse, and it is adversity that is pushing you within it. Do not get lost on other ways. This time is past for you and will not come back. You know where the truth is. Do not let yourself be caught up anymore in the games of this world. They can only bring you disappointments. Take what is good when it turns up, smiles and joy, finer feelings which are always expressed, but do not await anything else. That is the law of life. A sunny spell in the sky is beautiful to look at. It should be appreciated when it occurs, but it is fleeting and lasts only for a while. Be strong, my daughter. This strength is in you. You just need to invoke it, to trust it, and only it. Only God is always present. Babuji Maharaj. Thursday, May 24th, 2001, 8 am. The medium says, Babuji, what is the underlying symbolism to this celebration, the ascension? My daughter, regain stature, rise above the vibrations of this world, accede to beauty, to the infinite purity. Reveal in this unequaled movement. Let your heart sing unrestrainedly. Let it be joyful, happy, and released from torments. In these moments, when the earth prays, the soul are united in communion for the best. A purifying breath soothes people's minds. Time of peace are thus granted to me, as blessings in this world is madness. May this movement happen soon when misery will end, when hearts will open up to beauty, when this divine breath will make them grow. It will happen, but beforehand the battle will be hard. Courageous armies will have to stand up and undergo the attacks of an unspeakable conflict. So are the rules laid down. No one can change them, but only advance under the crushing yoke. One day peace will reign on the earth when all debts have been paid off. The golden age will be established. Other laws will govern space and time. This light is at the end of the road. It is there, believe it, and its reign will come. Babuji Maharaj.